Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting session. Today I'm going to discuss about plant kingdom with top 50 most important MCQ questions. So make sure to watch the full video for a better understanding and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's begin. Question number 1. Which of the following elements is a part of the chlorophyll molecule? Option number C is the right answer. Option number C, magnesium. Question number 2. During glycolysis, glucose is first converted into. During glycolysis, the glucose is first converted into. Option number D is the right answer, glucose 6-phosphate. Question number 3. In the plant cell, where does the Kelvin cycle take place? Option number B will be the right answer, stroma of chloroplast. Question number 4. Which plant hormone is responsible for the phototrophic movement of shoots? Option number B is the right answer, auxin. Question number 5. In a typical dicot stem, vascular bundles are arranged in. Option number C, a ring. Question number 6. Which plant group is known as the amphibians of the plant kingdom? Which plant group is known as the amphibians of the plant kingdom? Option number A is the right answer, bryophytes. Question number 7. Which hormone is responsible for seed dormancy? Which hormone is responsible for seed dormancy? Easy and important question. Option number B will be the right answer, abscisic acid, ABA. Question number 8. In plant cell, which of the following organelles helps in maintaining turgor pressure? In plant cells, which of the following organelles helps in maintaining turgor pressure? Here option number C will be the right answer, vacuole. Question number 9. Which part of the flower develops into a seed? Which part of the flower develops into a seed? Option number D is the right answer, ovule. 10. Which of the following structures is angiosperm is triploid? Which of the following structures in angiosperms is triploid? Option number C will be the right answer, endosperm. 11. Which plant hormone is responsible for fruit ripening in angiosperm? Easy question. Option number C is the right answer, ethylene. 12. Which among the following is an example of dicot plant? Which among the following is an example of a dicot plant? Option number A is the right answer, mango. 13. Which of the following plants belongs to the Liliaceae family? Which of the following plants belongs to the Liliaceae family? Option number D is the right answer, aloe vera. 14. In gymnosperm, pollination is primarily. Option number A is the right answer, anemophilous wind pollination. That means anemophilous is the right answer, option number A. 15. The term gymnosperm means. Option number B is the right answer, naked seed. 16. Which of the following is the first group of plants to possess true roots, stems and leaves? Which of the following is the first group of plants to possess true roots, stems and leaves? Option number B will be the right answer, pteridophytes. 17. Which of the following plants is carnivorous? Option number C is the right answer, Venus flytrap. 18. Identify the parasite in the following. Which of the following is a parasite? Option number D is the right answer. Cuscuta is the right answer. Cuscuta. 19. In biological terms, dash is a relationship between two organisms in which one organism benefits and other is unaffected. In biological terms, dash is a relationship between two organisms in which one organism benefits and other is unaffected. Dash is a relationship. Here, option number C will be the right answer. Commensalism. 20. Which one of the following is an insectivorous plant? Which one of the following is an insectivorous plant? Option number A is the right answer. Utricularia. Question number 21. Which of the following elements is not essential for plant growth? Which of the following elements is not essential for plant growth? Option number A, sodium. 22. Which micronutrient is supplied by soil to plants? Which micronutrient is supplied by soil to plants? Option number C is the right answer. Zinc. 23. Gaseous exchange takes place in leaves through tiny pores for the purpose of photosynthesis. What are these pores? Gaseous exchange takes place in leaves through tiny pores for the purpose of photosynthesis. What are these pores? Option number B is the right answer. Stomata. Question number 24. The maximum amount of water which plant needs to grow is absorbed by the following. The maximum amount of water which plant needs to grow is absorbed by the following. Option number D, root hairs. 25. The sunlight energy used by green plants in photosynthesis is transformed into chemical energy. Option number A will be the right answer. Chemical energy. 26. Water soluble pigments found in plant cell vacuoles are. Water soluble pigments found in plant cell vacuoles are dash. 26. Option number C is the right answer. Anthocyanins. 27. Flower colors of red, pink, blue and purple come mainly from the pigments called. Flower color of red, pink, blue and purple come mainly from the pigments called. Option number D, again anthocyanins. 28. Pollens are produced in. Option number D, anther. 29. In which part of the female flower does fertilization take place? In which part of the female flower does fertilization take place? Option number A, ovary. 30. Which among the following is the male part of flower? Option number B, stamen is the male part of a flower, male reproductive part, and stigma, style or pistil is a part of female reproductive part of a flower. 31. Which of the following is a simple permanent tissue? Which of the following is a simple permanent tissue? Option number C, parenchyma. 32. Which plant tissue is responsible for the transport of water? Easy question. Option number B will be the right answer. Xylem. And phloem is responsible for transport of food. Okay, food. 33. Which type of plant tissue helps in the healing of wounds and regrowth of plant parts? Which type of plant tissue helps in the healing of wounds and regrowth of plant parts? Option number B is the right answer. Meristematic tissue. 34. Which type of plant tissue prevents water loss by forming a protective covering on leaves and stems? Option number C is the right answer. Epidermis. 35. plants absorbs most of the nitrogens in the form of? Option number A is the right answer, nitrate plus nitrites. Sorry, nitrites. Nitrates plus nitrites, NO2. 36. Which of the following elements is a component of proteins and nucleic acid in plants? Which of the following elements is a component of proteins and nucleic acid in plants? Option number B, nitrogen is the right answer. 37. Which element is required for the synthesis of ATP and DNA in plants? Which element is required for the synthesis of ATP and DNA in plants? Option number A, phosphorus. 38. The fusion of male and female gametes in plants results in the formation of? The fusion of male and female gametes in plants results in the formation of? 38. Option number C is the right answer, zygote. 39. Which of the following is a unisexual flower? Which of the following is a unisexual flower? 39A is the right answer, papaya. 40. Question number 40. Which of the following is an example of asexual reproduction in plants? Which of the following is an example of asexual reproduction in plants? Here option number A is the right answer, budding in yeast. 41. Which one of the following plants reproduce by fragmentation? Easy plus very important question. Which one of the following plants reproduce by fragmentation? Option number D, Spirogyra. 42. The formation of fruit without fertilization is called? Formation of fruit without fertilization is called? Option number C is the right answer, parthenocarpy. 43. The function of the stigma in a flower is to? What is the function of the stigma? Option number B, receive pollens grains during pollination. Pollination. Receive pollens grains during pollination. This is a function of stigma. 44. Which of the following is a dioecious plant? Separate male and female plants. Dioecious plants means separate male and female plant. Which of the following? Option number A is the right answer, papaya. 45. Ticca disease is a common fungal disease affecting which crop? Option number C, groundnut. 46. Quinine, a drug used to treat malaria, is extracted from? Important question. Quinine, a drug used to treat malaria, is extracted from? Quinine is extracted from? Option number A, cinchona. 47. Which plant is primarily used in the production of biodiesel? Which plant is primarily used in the production of biodiesel? Option number D, Jatropha. Jatropha is the right answer. 48. Which plant is the primary source of natural rubber? Which plant is the primary source of natural rubber? Option number A is the right answer, Hevea brasiliensis. 49. What is the scientific name of neem? Very important. What is the scientific name of neem tree? Option number B is the right answer, Azadirachta indica. Azadirachta indica is the right answer, option number B. And the last question is, Sarpagandha is primarily used for treating? Sarpagandha is primarily used for treating which disease? Option number B is the right answer, hypertension. That means high blood pressure. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope it will help you a lot. Keep learning, keep watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.